Good morning. Yesterday we are completed the things related to 4.1 exercise. The introduction part already was completed. Exponents and powers. Today we are going to that extension of the things, the exponential powers. The extent some more questions are there in the exponents and powers. So today we have to see the rest of the part of the exponential powers. Introduction to this 4.2, and we'll complete this 4.2 the continuation of the things. So in the 4.2 there are two concepts are there. One is called it as standard form. One is called as a usual form. These two concepts we have to know first of all. What do you understand by usual form? And what do you understand by standard form? Now let us into the thing here. What is the usual form? What is the standard form? The usual form is nothing but a general form. Standard form is nothing but standard form. Let us take one number. I'll take for the sake of your own understanding. Let us we are taking the number is 43,700 and like this. Let us take 4,37,000. This is a number in the usual form. Am I clear? So if this number, if you write in the standard form means 437 into, there are three numbers are there, we can write 10 power 3. Clear? Huh? So this is nothing but a standard form. It means the number of zeros are available. We will convert into that like this. You 10 powers, you write. This comes under one standard form. Clear? If you take one more example, 0.013 is there. This is a usual form. If you wanted to write this in terms of 10, because number should be come out 13 into 10 power, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So 10 power minus 3 you can write down. Clear, right?
Minus.
Because what you can write down this generally 0.13 by 1,000 you can write down. This 1,000 we can write down in 10 power 3 down. This 10 power 3 down go back to 10 power top. So 10 power minus 3. These are comes under a standard forms. These are comes under a usual forms. Still you clear? Any doubt it is? So some
Clear.
people they'll write in the first they'll use standard form. If they mention it is a simply 5.06. So they don't write like this. They will write another way. 43,767 into 10 power 3 mention. This is a standard form. You're converted to usual form. What you have to do? 43076 into we have to write t zeros. 1,000 you multiply. You'll get answer is 4376000 you got. So this is nothing but a standard form to usual form. This is usual form to standard form. This is this is standard form to usual form. These are comes under usual form to standard forms. So the people will be like that. I think it's clear, right? Any doubt?
Clear.
So if you wanted to take some more examples also, the classroom session problems are available. We can see, we can easily understand how the usual form is converted to standard form. So let us, we don't want to waste our time. So we'll enter directly exercise. Okay. Now let us, we'll start working on the thing. Our problem is first question. Can you read the first question? For the first bit, express the following numbers in the standard form.
Standard form.
You has to, they will, standard form means they already mentioned in the, what you can say that?
Usual form.
Usual form lo icharu. So you need to write usual form. Express following. Okay. Now this is, I think I was discussing the reverse way. I think so. This is the standard form. This is the usual form. Previously I was mentioned, right? It's opposite. It is. It is not available in the board. It thinks is opposite to that. So first of all, you can take the thing. Question. What is there? First question. Here it is. I'll write it is. Better I should copy directly here. This is the question. So please, we want to write down. Should be 947 into how many numbers are, how many digits are there? Please count it is after the zero. Count all zeros. What are the, how many zeros are available in that?
Nine zeros.
Nine
After
zeros.
point, 9 zeros.
2, 3, 4. It is 9. 947. It is becomes 12. So 10 power minus 12 you can write because after point is there. This is all 947. This is 12, right? Or else you can write 9.47 into 10 to the power minus 10 also. Nothing wrong in that. But all zeros should be come out. Or some people they write 947.10 into 10 power minus 9. So better way, this is the correct answer. Or else this you can take it is a standard form. Okay. Are you clear my question or not? So first you count the zeros. How many zeros are there after the point? There are 9 zeros plus how many trips? 3. 12 digits are there. So 947 into 10 power minus 2. Or
Minus
else
2.
9.47 into 10 power minus 10, your textbook answer. This is also correct one. Because till if you take here only 10 digits are there. You can take it out. So this is the usual forms. These are all the usual forms. We are converted into a standard form. Clear? So similar, clear, right? Similarly, we should start working over this. This positive direction means here when the point will come, take all counts. If it is without point, means just you leave about this number, only zeros you count. How many zeros are there? 3, 3, 3. How many it is there?
9.
9 digits are there.
9.
So you can write directly this into 543 into 10 power 9. Clear? Or some people will write a textbook answer 5.43 into 10 power 11, because points you write down, you multiply and dividing with 100 into 100. That's what they move with 9 into becomes 11. Clear? Huh? The correct answer is 543 into 10 to the power of 9 only.
10 power.
If you wanted to
9.
write these points, means you can multiply with 10 square by 10 square. 10 square means 100. This point will move out here. This 100 will move. So 5.43 into 10 power 9 into 10 square, 10 power 11 is answer. This is also answer. This is also answer. Whatever you want to write, you can write it down. Nothing wrong in that. Clear? Huh?
Clear.
Next, if we go to the third question, this one is very simple. Try to tell me the answer now. Like looking into the question. 483 into 10 to the power of how many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there.
5 zeros.
10 power 5, we can say that. Or else, if you wanted to write it down 4 point, also nothing wrong in that. If you wanted to go for 2 points here, it is if you want to write point here, you will make it with 100, multiply with 100. So 483 by 100 means what is that answer? 4.83 into 10 to the power of 5 is already available. It is 10 to the power of 2. Total becomes 10 to the power of 7. This is also one answer. This is also anyone you can take it out. Both are correct only. This is the correct or this is also correct. Clear for this question?
Clear.
Yeah. Now we look on to the next question. This one. So this decimal form will come. You should must be take care first of all. Now looking into that, how many are there? 9298 into, right? Count all the digits. 3, 4 plus 4. How many it is there? 8. This is 10 power minus 8. It becomes better. Or some people they'll write only with first digit. We have to write 9.298 into, because this is already available. If the 3 points is sent back to 3, it becomes 10 power minus 5. Clear?
Explain once again.
This is actually has to write down 9298 into 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the power of minus 8. Minus 8. Okay. If you want to write down 9 point, if you want to write it down, the concept is simple. You want 9 point writes. If you want to make it a point, what you has to do? You require by 1000 writes. 9298, right? If you want to write down make it point means by 1000 into 1000
By 1000.
into 10 to the power minus already it is there. So automatically this becomes how much will come? 9.298 will come. But 1000 means what? 10 power plus 3. 10 power plus 3, 10 power minus 8 becomes 10 power minus 5 only.
Minus.
Clear? Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Next this becomes 529 into 10 power. How many is there? 4 plus 3, 7. 10 power minus 7. If you want after the first digit of point, if you want means 529 by here 2 digits after means 5 into 100 division by 100 into 10 to the power minus 7. This becomes what you can write down this one 5.29 into this becomes 10 power 2. So 10 power 2 and 10 power 7 into 10 power minus 5. This is the final answer. Clear the question? Any doubt it is?
Clear.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So thing is what after the all questions of discussion, I was concluded that if standard form means you has to write at least after the if it is 947 is there, you write 9 point, you write it down 9 point. 543 is there, you have to write 5.43. If it is 438 is there, 4.83 you have to write down. This is 9 to 980 is 9.298 you have to write down. 529 means just 5.29 into 10 power whatever the value is there, that you has to write it down. That is what the confirmation. Clear?
Clear.
So like that, once again you go back to the questions of all. I'll try to revise all. This is a question now. First you have to try to 947 into what is how many digits are there?
9 digits.
9 plus
9 is 3, 12.
12
12.
to 10 power 12 plus 12 is there. So whenever plus 12 is there, what you have to do? We have 9.47, right? 9.47 by 100 into 100 division by 100. Clear? Huh? This is minus 12, sorry, minus 12 because all my negatives, right? Into 10 to the power minus 12. Am I clear? So automatically this becomes 9. We want 947 by 100 means 9.47 into 10 power plus 2 into 10 power minus. So 10 power minus 10 is the answer. Clear? Huh? First
Okay.
question. Because 947 into 10 to the power minus 12, but you want point here. That is what 47 after will come. So into division, under division. So 947 by 100, it becomes 9.47. So 100 square is 10 square. 10 square into 10 power minus 2. So bases are same. Power should be added. 2 minus 12 minus 10.
Added.
Clear? Huh?
Clear.
So similarly, go for next question. 543 into how many are there?
9.
This is 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Clear? Huh?
12.
But here it is plus 12. But you want what you want, right? So 5.3, right? This you are required. Once you can count the all zeros, this is 3, 3, and 3. 9 it is there. Okay, 9 into 12. Yeah. Can you count it once again? How many are there? 3, 3, 6, 9. Okay, 12 it is there. 540, 543, 12. It's okay. Comfortable. Then what he has to write down? You want whole point here, right? By 100 into 100. This means what? 543 to 5.43 into 10 to the power of 14. This is the correct answer. Clear it? 543 into 9 plus 3, 12. If you want still you point, get it down 100. Get 5.43 into 10 to the power of 14. This you can take. Textbook on something is that this is the correct answer. Clear? Huh?
Oh, clear.
Next, this is what you can write down. 483 into 10 to the power of there are how many digits are there? 5 is there. This is the 10 power 5. But you required 4.83, right? It is not 100. You require 100 into 100. This is what 4.83. 10 power 5. This is 10 power 2. How much answer? 10 power 7. Clear? Huh?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. Similarly, this you can take what you can write 298 into 10 to the power of how much you write? Because 4 plus 4, 10 power 8. This is 0 solve 10 power minus 8. Clear? Huh? But you want by 9298, right? This is actually. But you want point over here. So that is what 3 digits after 1000 into 1000 multiply with 1000. Clear? Huh? So automatically what you can write down? 9.298. This becomes 10 power 3. 10 power minus 8, 10 power 3 becomes 10 power minus 5. Clear? Huh? Clear, Nana? There are 8 digits
Yeah,
are
clear.
there. That is what I 10 power minus 8 because 0 point means you can write down minus. You want here the point after 3 digits. That's what I was multiply divided with 1000. This becomes a 9.298. 10 power minus 8, 10 power 5, because 10 power 3. Total 10 power minus 5 will come. Next, to go for this question, last question, 529 into 10 to the power of,
Ten
this will be 7.
-7.
Minus 7, very good catch. Now, your intention is what? Here you want pointed into 100 division by 100. So this portion is
100.
becomes after 2 digits, 5.29 into 10 to the power of already minus 7, it is 2. So total becomes 10 power minus 5. This is the answer. Still clear, any doubt? So this is a way
Clear.
we has to find out the cases of the questions. Now this is all the usual forms converted into a standard forms. Clear?
Standard.
Standard form is
Clear.
something one after the 5, after some number after point only will exist. Okay, this comes under standard. You need to understand now. Now let us, you can just find the usual forms. Usual form means once you understand that standard forms, automatically usual forms is very clear. Like this, you have to write all. There is no 10 powers. It should not be appear. Okay, na? So it's very simple. Take one by one question. You can do very short, very fastly. This question you take first question. What is the first question now? 4.37.
4.37.
He has to say. Don't say 37.
Yeah.
After point, you can write one digit. 4.37. This is the case. So
7
first
into
he has to take 4.37. First you point you removed. So how many digits are there here? 4.37 means 437 by 100. Clear?
100.
437 by 100
Clear.
into 10 power 5. So this 100 means this, how many digits are there? 5, right? So 5 means next step I write 437 by 100 into 10 power 5 means 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this, you can start cancellation. There are 2 and this 2 cancel. Clear? After this 437 to 3 zeros. So answer is 437 into 3 zeros. This is the final answer. Clear? I read it out.
Clear.
Yeah, this is a very simpler way you can do a simplification. Next second one, 5.87. 5.8 into 10 to the power of 7. First to remove the point first of all. 57, 58 of 5.8. You can write 58 by 10 now. These are 7 zeros are there. So this 0 cancel. Clear? Now you can write rest of the answer. 5, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what your usual form for the question. Clear? Can I move to next question?
Yeah.
Now this is clear. Now we go to this one. 32.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Very interesting question, this one. So what you has to do? So let us take the question 32.5. So this you can write 32 by 10 now, because only 1 point after
10.
that. Into 10 power 4 is there. Minus 4 is there. You can write down at 10,
4.
10 power down, you can write down. Okay. Now 325 by 10 into 10 power 4, 10 power 5. So all zeros you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 325 by 5 digits. So if you want a 10 still top means you have to zeros will come out. 3 zeros means the point will come. There are extra 2 zeros will come out. So 0.00325. Clear? Huh? 3 and 2 zeros after you write down. If you cancel off 5 zeros, automatically come to left to 5 digits. But 3 are available. If you not, make it 0 zeros. Clear? Huh? This is one of the interesting important problem. Minus will come. You must be careful. Clear?
Clear.
Clear now? 32.5 into 10 power minus 4. 32 means first to point to remove. 1 digit means 325 by 10 you write. 10 power
325
minus
by
4
10.
means 10 power minus 4 means you can write down 10 power plus 4. So 325 I wrote as is 10, 10 into 10 power 4. 10 power 5 will come. So 5 digits I wrote. You go to top means automatically 5 digits should be shifted to that. But only we have 3. To make it to 1 more 2 you keep, make a point on that. This is the answer.
Okay.
Next, take this question and do work on that. So how should we look like this question? Take a question now. 3.71529 into 10 power 7. How many digits are there? 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 zeros you write. 31529 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into we have 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 5 cancel. Clear? Huh? The rest of you write down. 371,529,00. Positive will be there. There is no problem. Negatives are there. You must be take care. Clear? Huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Now go to the fifth one. The problem is simple. 3789 into 10 power minus 5. So we are happy because there is no point here. So there is no point. There is no multiply division. Directly you can get back. 10 power minus 5 is there. You can write 10 power plus 5. Next 3789 by 10 power 5 means you can write 5. 3, 4, 5. Now what is the next step? This zeros is shifted to top. The 5 is there, but only 4 you have. We'll make it one more 0. The answer is 0.03789. Clear? Huh? Down is there. You
Yeah.
can shift to top. It's 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more not available. Keep it 0. 0 point. After point, 5 digits must be compulsory. If it is not there, keep it 0 with that. Gap will be filled by zeros. Clear? Huh?
Clear.
Good. Now take this question now. 24.36 into 10 to the power of minus. This is a very interesting question. Please look here. 24.36. So what of all there are of point after 2 digits are there. So 36 by 100. Okay, na? 2 digits means right by 100 will come into 10 power minus 3, right? 10 power plus 3 down will come because not up. So totally 2436 by 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5 will come. Then this should be shifted to top. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not available. Keep it one more 0 and make it point here. So this is the final answer. Clear? Huh?
Yeah. Clear.
So this is for this question. Negatives will come. The power should be not top. It should come down. First to open these. After completely will be the number should be very natural form. Then you start working over the top and bottom shifting. Clear? This is a bit little
Yeah.
important compared to this. That's what you need to concentrate on more. If well and good these 2 bits and hands-on practice, the rest of the 3 bits very simple. Let us start working the third bit. Now read the question of third one.
Express the following information in standard form.
They what in the standard form. So like this, how did you read off? Like this. The standard form means like this. The form should be like this. The form should be like this. These are all standard forms. The rest of top is that these are all called usual forms.
Usual form.
Usual forms. We have previously converted usual form to standard form. Now just now we converted standard form to usual form. So these are all should be standard.
Usual form.
The number should be like this. The third bit, you need to convert the usual form to standard form. That is an indirect question for you. Clear? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, now let us take a question now. The size of the bacteria is like this. So you take the question 0.00000004 m. Clear? Huh? 3, 4 plus 2, 6 nm. So 3, 3, 6, 4 m meters it is. The bacteria, this is the size of the bacteria. So now let us, the problem should be like this. Totally how many are there after 0? 3, 3, 6 and 7. So 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Clear? Huh?
Yeah.
Any doubt it is?
Clear. Clear.
Clear, right? So that is what you can write directly. If you want 4.0 also, nothing wrong in that. You can write 4.0 also. Because they want after the 4 point is required. I wrote in the standard form that is a 5 point it is there. Something is a we wrote. Nothing is a we wrote directly. 4.0 and 10 to the power minus 7. This is the answer for the first question. Clear? Huh? Similarly, tell me the answer for second question by your own. Second question.
0. Five.
Tell me the answer by your own.
7.0 into minus 5. 7.0 into 10 minus 10 power minus 5.
This is how many? 2. This is how many?
5.
2. This is how many?
3.
2. There are totally 6 are available.
Minus
After the point, how
6.
many units are there?
Minus
Not zeros. Negatives will come. How many? How you did counted here? Total digits. Total digits. Total digits. So that is answer is 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6.
7 into minus 6.
This is what you don't confused. You have to write including number. Previously, what you wrote? 3, 3, 6, and 7. That's what 4 point minus 7 they wrote. Okay, clear it. Because we are moving the point completely, including the digits. That is what our main intentional. Clear, Adana?
Clear.
Yeah, that is clear. So now we will look. 2 questions are done. Now go to the third question. This bit. Okay. Yeah. Let us start working the third question. Make it fast.
The speed of the light is
This minute. This is no. This is only positive. Now you take it all. 3 into only this will count. 3, 3, 6, and 8. So 10 power 8 meters. Clear? Yes. So if they want some people 3.0 means you can write down 3.0 into 10 to the power of 8. Only one digit means you can write 0 also, nothing wrong in that. Number of things will come, you must be take care. Now third question is clear. Huh? Now go to fourth question it is. The fourth question, this is a number now. So first, how can you write the number? This is 384467 into 10 to the power of 3 will come.
3.
But the people are required the 0 where it is there. They want 0 here, right? They want point here after 3. But they want point here. What you has to do? 2 to 5. 10 power 5 you has to
5.
divide, and 10 power 5 top you write. Okay, na? Because 5 digits after point is required. Because they want to write here point. Previously there's no requirement because there's no digits are available. So what you can write down here of 10, this total, this becomes, it has to write down 3.84467. This you can write down, what you can write down, 10 power 8 I can write. Clear? Huh?
Yeah.
This is what the way of notation of standard form. You must be very, very important when you're writing the forms. Next question. Get back to the fifth question. So it's very tricky question. The digits please be counted out. It is not visible to me. The please count it by your own. Still I will make it something issue. Yeah. Yeah. How many digits are there? Please count it out. Make it count how many digits? 16 into how many digits are there?
18 digits. 18 to 9. 20
Including
digits.
total
Total
20.
20.
3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, 3, 15, 18, 19, 20. 10 power 20 is there. Okay. But the people want here point. After one first digit of the point is required. So 16 by 10 into 10 power 20 into 10 power 1. Please be count digits are correct or not. How many are there? Is 20 correct only? Because something you went off written is wrong, I think so. Let us, I'll write it is 10 power minus 20 we have to write down. We wrote 20, it's wrong, right?
Yeah.
That is what the question little tricky. So you have to write 10 power minus 20 because after point you write 10 power minus 20. Yeah. The people want the point here. So 16 by 10 into 10 power minus 20 into 10 power 1. So this we can write 1.6 into 10 power minus 20 and 10 power minus 1. Minus 20 plus 1 becomes 10 power minus 19.
Minus 19.
Clear? Because basis of some power must be added. Clear it is. Next, this is clear, simple question. This is how can you write down 16 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay, na? Because 4 digits are there, you can write directly minus 4. Next extension, what you can add on? 16 by 10 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into 10 to the power of 1. This portion you can write 1.6 into 1 power minus 4 into 10 power plus 1 becomes 10 power minus 3. Clear, Nana? This question. Yeah, it's very simple question. Next, you has to go for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. 5 into 10 to the power of how many? 2, 3, 5, 6. 10 to the power of minus 6. Because decimal place minus 6. Your point personally already. There is nothing is there, you can write directly. There no need to do any zeros. So 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 centimeters.
Minus
3
6.
centimeters. Units you write on all cases. Okay. Next. Every question, all questions are clear. Very simple. Clear? Next, please can you read the fourth question? Read the fourth question.
In a pack, there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 millimeters and 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 millimeters. What is the total thickness of the pack?
Yeah, I'll try to read the question very careful. In a pack, there are 5 books are there. 5 books. There are one pack is there, pack setup. 5 books are there. Okay, like this, there are 5 books are inside. Okay, each having a 20-meter thickness. So each book having a 20-meter thickness, 20-meter thickness, 20 meters, 20 meters, 20 meters. After this, 5 paper sheets having, we have a 5 paper sheets. Paper sheets 1, paper sheet 2, paper sheet 3, paper sheet 4, paper sheet 5, like this is there. Okay, the thickness of each paper is this one. The thickness of each sheet is this one. So what is the total thickness of the pack? Okay.
Okay.
So like this, I'll try to share the answer on the screen. It's you should easily understand. Because I'll try to share the question. Already it's available on screen. Let us once again. I'll move back to this. It's yes. This answer is already available with. I already wrote on the screen. So we should close this. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can look in the answer now. So here we have the question is what? Same question. There are 5 books. Each sheet of thickness is 20 meters. So the total number of books in the stock is 5. Each having thickness is 20. So total means what? The 20 into 5 is 100 millimeters. Clear? Huh? Total thickness of the 5 books.
Right.
Okay. Next, this is 100 millimeters. This is case is done. Next, after this, over the books, we have the making with a packing with like this 1, 2, 4, 5, 5. Like that, 5 packs are there. So the thickness, there are total number of papers are 5. Each thickness of paper is what? This is what? 0.016 mm. So total thickness of 5 papers means 5 into 0.016. This is the total thickness. So 0.080. This is the thickness of this paper. Okay. Clear or any doubt?
Clear.
So after this, we want the total thickness of it. So total means you need to add completely setup of there. So what is this one? This is you need to add 100 and this one. Totally you got it is. Clear or any doubt it is? So we need to calculate this plus this. You got to get total thickness of the bundle automatically. Clear it because already we have the thing is the pack setup. This is the total pack of the books, 5 books plus thickness of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total thickness of paper is this one. Clear or any doubt? After adding this,
Yes.
they wanted to convert this usual form into a standard form. They are converted like this. This is the final answer. Copy the answer as like same steps, whatever process proceed. Simply get a total number of stacks, thickness of each, total thickness. Stage 1 is done. Stage 2, total number of sheets to make it pack the papers. This is 3. Then you can copy these two answers because we want total thickness of the complete setup. Clear?
Mm.
Let us will try to go our regular questions. Still, what are the pending out there? Now this is done, right? Now looking to the last bit for today's session to complete the chapter. Read the statement of the question. Make it fast.
Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. Do you agree with the solutions? If not, why? Justify your argument.
Yeah. So simply thing is done. Here the concept is what the questions are. The questions is correct or not? We need to check it out. Cross check we need to do. LHS equal to RHS. The things is done. Okay. That is what every case you need to check it out. Every case is it following this or not? LHS equal to RHS. We need to check it out. Any one side you can see the simple thing. The rest of the thing. So this is single term. You can simplify this one left. What the answer will come? What is the x power minus 3 into x power minus 2? What is the answer now? Bases are same, power should be. What is the answer you're going to?
Minus 6. X
Minus?
power minus 6.
10 power?
6. Minus 5, sorry. X power minus 5.
So people should be very clear. Bases are same, power should be added. Minus 3, minus 2. Answer is minus 5. Clear, huh?
5.
So x power minus
Yes.
5. This is x
5.
power minus 6. Both are same?
No.
No. Answer is no. Next,
Wrong.
what about this one? Bases are same, power should be shifted. The bases are same, power should be shifted. What is the x? A power m by a power n. A power m minus n. So this is nothing but x power 3 minus 2. X power 1 will come here. Clear, huh? Any doubt it is?
Yeah.
But is it
Clear.
correct answer?
No.
The left side is x power
Wrong.
1 will come, x power 4. This answer also no. First answer is no.
No.
Similar second answer also no. Questions are wrong. The first answer is x power minus 5. The second left side is x power 1. Clear, huh? Next, this one. What you're going to getting out? A power m whole power n. What is the answer? A power m into n. So x square and whole square. So x power 2 into 3. Answer will come how much? X power 6 it has to come.
X power 6.
X power 6 is correct answer. But here we got x power 9. So answer is wrong.
X power 8. Wrong. No.
So here it is no. Here also no. Here also no. Because this is a case
Also no.
for this question. Next, what is this one? Go to the fourth question. X or minus 2. X or minus 2 means 1 by x square you write down. Are you following me or not? X or minus 2 means 1 by x square you write down.
Minus
1 by x square is equal to root x. No, because root x is different. Root x is nothing but x power 1 by 2. This is x power 1 by 2. This is x power minus 2. Both are not same.
minus.
Root x means x power 1 by 2. X power minus 2 means 1 by x square is not equal to x power 1 by 2. So answer is no.
No.
Next, this is a case. For come to this case, it's very simpler.
Yeah.
How should we look like?
1 by
3 into x inverse means 1 by 3 by x you write down.
1 by 3.
So this is equal to 1 by 3x they got.
X.
This is the inverse only for x, not for 3. But what x should be come down, not 3x should not come top. 3 should be top only. X inverse means x only will come down. So 1 by x. Nothing but left is 3 by x, right is 1 by 3 by x. So both are not correct.
1 by 3.
So when you're doing the problems, you must be very careful and very clear what you are doing. The presence of mind is very important. 1 by 3x here. 3x inverse means only 3 is not coming. 3 should be top only.
3.
X should be come out. So 3 by x is not equal to 1 by 3 by x. So simple. The answer is no only. Clear? These are all very, very important. Finally, I'll write down. This is x power minus 5. So it is
Right.
not equal. Answer is no. This is x power 1. This is not equal. Answer is no. This is x power 2 into 3, 6. It is not equal. Answer is no. This is 1 by x square is equal to root x. If you want to write on x power 1 by 2, these answers are not correct. So answer is no.
Okay.
This is
No.
1 by, this is 3 by x is not equal to 1 by 3x. Answer is not equal. The answer is no. Okay.
Hmm.
So with this, the logics, we are completely finished the chapter of the exponents and power. If you go down, there is nothing is there. Every textbook completely we are all there. Next class we will discuss the some other topic with this. After this, they are mentioned it is the discussion what will happen. Please, if you are really interested, once you take the formulas, these are all. Only regarding these formulas, our discussion is done. These formulas you can copy into the case. All models are covered. Only the thing is the rest of questions are there. The second thing, normal form, sorry, usual form, the people. What is the usual form and what is the standard form?
Standard form.
Standard form means after the digit, one point is compulsory required. You have to write 10 power something else. The usual form means there is no powers, there is no decimals. There is no decimals, no powers. Standard form means it will contain the after the digit one point is required, then you write 10 powers minus or power negatives doesn't matter. This is all standard form. These are all usual forms. That is what the discussion the we completed in the previous classes. Still clear or any doubt it is? That is what
Clear.
the very interesting thing in this chapter. So only the thing just I was told you right. This you must be very careful. This is the standard forms your conversion. So these are all usual forms. These are all the standard forms of example.
Standard forms.
Forms of examples. This is usual forms of examples. Okay. Right. We'll trying to stop the discussion of till today, and tomorrow we'll next classes we'll meet with some other problem. If you're interested, you can make the subscribe to our channels so you can get it out. Number of notifications.